I'm going to give you a clean mental map for PMP Reactor 102, a system for value delivery. At the core, projects exist to create value. Not tasks, not paperwork. Value. That value might be a new product people love, a faster process that saves money, a greener footprint, or the change an organization needs to reach its next chapter. Here's the map. Picture 5 components working together. Portfolios, programs, projects, products, operations. Portfolios point at strategy. Programs bundle related work. Projects make the stuff. Products are the thing people actually touch. Operations keep it all running after launch. Deliverables lead to outcomes. Outcomes lead to benefits. Benefits add up to value. Now the glue is information flow. Top down. Senior leadership sets strategy. Portfolios translate that into desired outcomes, benefits, and value. Projects build deliverables. Operations take them live with support and maintenance. Bottom up. Operations send back real-world feedback. Projects report performance. Portfolios assess progress. Leadership tunes strategy. When that loop is tight and honest, the system stays aligned and responsive. Layer on governance. Governance is the framework that makes smart decisions possible. Oversight, control, value checks, integration, approvals. Project governance fits inside organizational governance, clarifying who decides what, who approves changes, and how risks and issues move through the system. Good governance means fewer surprises, faster pivots, better outcomes. Projects run on functions, people doing specific jobs that make delivery work. Provide oversight and coordination. Plan, monitor, control, and protect team health and safety. Present objectives and feedback. Keep customer and end-user needs clear and current, especially in adaptive and hybrid work. Facilitate and support. Drive collaboration. Unblock conflict, and help teams learn and improve. Perform work and contribute insights. The makers, with cross-functional brains and hands-on execution. Apply expertise, specialists who raise accuracy and vision right when it counts. Provide business direction and insight. Prioritize by value, risk, and dependencies. Set the next increment. Provide resources and direction. Secure funding. Remove roadblocks. Align to business goals. Maintain governance. Ensure progress matches strategy as conditions change. One person can wear multiple hats, but every function needs a clear owner. Context matters. Internal factors. Process assets. Governance docs. Data and knowledge. Culture and structure. IT tools. Resource availability. Team capability. And external factors. Market conditions, social and cultural dynamics, regulations, industry standards, finance, the physical environment. Scan both. Plan with both. Adjust for both. Finally, product management. Products live through introduction, growth, maturity, and retirement. At any point in that life cycle, product management can spin up projects or programs to add features, revise capabilities, or sunset what no longer serves. Sometimes a program governs the whole life cycle. Sometimes a portfolio launches individual projects as needed. The key is integration. Product, program, and project management working together, so each increment of work clearly feeds benefits and value. Here's your takeaway. Keep value in sight. Keep the information loop alive. Use governance to decide fast and wisely. Assign the right functions, respect the environment, and align product moves with strategy. Do that, and your projects stop being busy work and start becoming engines of outcomes, benefits, and real value. This has been PMP Reactor 102, a system for value delivery. PMP Reactor, your Django Hub career accelerator.